Bro, what the fuck is that even supposed to be like that? That's my drive shaft. What is it called? Cross member, and it's even rusting into like what the fuck, bro? My springs are rusting. Like, look at that, bro. Rusted springs, and in the car is a whole fucking mess. And the master cylinder is all rusted. And up and show last moment of how this car looks, bro. Having your head look like. Basically, my interior is actually fine. I'm not even lying. This interior compared to like I opened the door and yeah, that's what we have inside here, bro. What? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy in Black, back with the normal consistent posing. As you can see behind me, we have almost 5 million horsepower worth of cars. We have the that's right there. We have my dad's car. Then right here we have the normal. You feel me? So behind me we'll be talking about the Datsun behind me because it's been having some issues, guys, and haven't really had the time to go over it like completely. So today we'll be going. Oh my god. As I was saying, I was interrupted by my aunt, bro. I'm very shy when it comes to filming. I haven't really had that courage to film in front of people yet. So we'll be talking about that car behind there because I've had some videos and they're going crazy. So guys, thank you so much for supporting these videos. I'll probably, when I'm back from school, because most of you guys don't know I'm still in school, I'll do an overhaul on that car when this channel gets more money, more views, more subscribers. So let's get to subscribe, liking and sharing this video. And yeah, let's get into the one of the many issues that this car has, and I will probably see you soon. Yeah, that's my dad's car. I think you guys know it. And then we have my the other daily that is used for, you know what I'm saying, doing all the farm work right here. Don't really mind those cute little things, looking all cute and whatever. But yeah, so yeah, let's get into the video and talk about all these problems that this car has. And yeah, maybe if you enjoy this kind of content, please do leave a like, comment, subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Let me have this montage first, bro. I'll have to like get a montage in every video, bro. Like, what? The montage thing is now part of me. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's get in the video. Peace out. It's about to rain and I'm about to film this fucking video. So guys, right now we have this car right here, and one of the major problems that this car has to be one is the tires, bro. These things are toasted, so as you can see they are flat on the ground. Only these two are like that, but the other two, I think they are awesome. So yeah, that's something that we'll have to fix in the near future at the tires, because this one right here are okay. It's been here for like almost like, bro, 3 years. It was there and then it was moved up to here, so it's been here for 3 years. And imagine these tires have held up this much better. Imagine, like, bro, like imagine no dent, no nothing. So that's something interesting with this one. And another thing with the bed looks okay. As you can see, it's just a bit dirty. I'll have to like do some cleaning here and there. It's a bit dirty, and you know what I'm saying, like that's something that's easy fixable, just washing it up. And then a respray, that's something that has to be done very fast. And then back here we have some light issues that has to be fixed. As you can see, they are broken. I don't know how this thing broke, because we have this metal, something that covers all this. So I don't know how this broke. And also the other side, it has the same issue. Then with the bodywork, that is something very important. We have some few scratches here and there. Yeah, the bodywork isn't really that perfect, bro. I'm not even saying it's perfect, bro. This thing is toasted. As you can see, it's oh, bro. I'm even short of words, bro. I'm even short of words on how this car really like handles right now. As you can see, all these things. That's what we have on the channel right now, and it's about to rain. That's why I'm hurrying up with the video. Don't really mind how I'm talking. And then with the front bumper, guys, I think it's a very old bumper, and it's not even color matching. We have this chrome, and then we have this black. That one has to be changed, obviously. With the frame, I think it's kind of in perfect shape, because this car, bro, like despite the number of miles that this car has, it has held up so perfectly fine. That's just some of the things I love about this car is how the frame is, and also the AC works. The only two things that I love about this car is the frame is in very good shape, and the AC works. So with the bodywork, I think we'll have to fix maybe a race spray, or maybe just do a wrap in the near future, because guys, I'm in
bro, what? I have that vision of changing this whole car into a very, very badass looking car. As you can see, the gap is not really that perfect, bro. That's how this car is right now. Yeah, it's missing a whole wiper. It's not even there. The wipers are not even there. So that's what we have on the channel right now. And give me like 6 months, guys. After I come back from school, I'll have the baddest truck on the internet. The bodywork isn't that perfect. As you can see, we have some issues here and there. We have a whole, like, it's rusting, and it even has mold inside there. As you can see, it has molding going on. So the bodywork isn't that perfect, but in the near future, this car is going to be the baddest lifted truck. And if there's something I really love about this truck, is how long this bed is. Now, maybe the camera isn't doing that justice, but bro, Datsun did their thing making this bed. I can fit a whole village behind this bed, bro. Like, just look at this bed. It's so big, and it's handy when it comes to work truck. It's more of a work farm. Like, maybe do a short bed, like how cut it in half. We have another issue there. There's no key right here, bro. This guy is a whole fucking mess. Look at this, bro. What is this even real? And then we have a rubber cap as we have this tire situation that acts as the fuel tank cover. So as you can see, yeah, that's what we have on the channel. And yeah, right now, as you can see right here, we have some issues. And with the bed, it's so big that, bro, this thing can be used for so many things. We can haul a lot of things with this truck. Now with the interior, guys, now also that's another place that comes with another whole situation. As you can see, the interior isn't really that perfect, and yeah, judging it's a very old car, you wouldn't really want to find this car to be perfect. Opening that door, bro, the whole door frame just goes down. As you can see, we have a whole issue right here. As you can see right here, that's falling apart. And with the headliner, it's just some cheap cloth that has to be fixed. I think I'll just have to like tear this thing down. Bro, this car is so old and it needs some TLC, some mad TLC. So the paint, the bodywork, the interior, the tires are also in a very bad shape. And the only good thing about this car is this part, bro. This is the only thing in this car that actually works. The AC, I think, as you can see, we have another gasket. I think the head was done much earlier before than this. Let me open up the bonnet and see what we have under the hood. So the interior needs some TLC, just some wash up. We have to get some new mats and just wash up the whole thing. Right there, we have another problem. This whole place has been leaking. As you can see, we have some, is it band or grease that has been there, or silicone? It's been on both sides. The car has been leaking for some time now, which that only will be fixed much later on. Right here we have some few issues. As you can see, the whole, bro, this thing is so dirty. I was supposed to like do a whole wash on it, but I kind of forgot. And yeah, that's what we have on this door, bro. This thing is just falling apart, and yeah, we'll have to, it has to be fixed much later on. Let's go to the mechanical part of this car, and you know what really makes this car a G720, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so right here, guys, we have the engine, and in my opinion, this engine, you know, like, as much as it's a very old car, and I think you guys watched that startup video. If you haven't, please go watch down below. The engine isn't really in good shape. As you can see, we have almost a million problems with this car. We have this one right here. The whole things are rusted. We have a whole, bro, this car is a whole lot, because you can't even trust the whole situation with this car. You can't even drive knowing that you have low fluid in your car. So, and yeah, another thing that has been also disturbing me is the fact that the whole engine inside there has been leaking. Let me just have this flashlight on. The master cylinder is all rusted, and I think it needs some, it's just held up with some few wires here and there. It's all dirty and rusted, which will have to be fixed much later on. The lights do work. The mechanical part of this car, I think it's perfectly fine. It only needs a new refresh engine, and this car will be back on the road. Let me close up and show last moment of how this car looks. Bro, having your head look like this is a very bad sign that you're keeping your car in a very dusty position. So, and right here, guys, I think it's just coated with some cheap, I don't know, is it silicone? Yeah, I think we also have a massive exhaust leak. That's why this car has has these things right there. This whole thing is just held up in place by its own wire. It does not even work. I'm supposed to like have it like this. Let me see if that's possible. Yeah, it's now held into place. So yeah, this car, it has no water. Obviously, it's a very, very old car. It's been here for a very, very long time, bro. 3 years and this car has not even been starting, leave alone like even moving. The fact that it was here and moved up to here, it was done by very, very strong men. So we have this thing on the channel, and my goal is to like bring this into one of the perfect, just look at this, bro. Anyway, my goal is to bring this into the baddest G720 on the internet and make this the baddest truck in my country, because not really a lot of people do this kind of things in my country. I'm inspired by Gabe Farrell and also all those truckers on YouTube. That's why they, you know, they have some forges, a lift kit, some massive headliner that has some insane starlights and whatnot. You know, a whole lot, a very good car mean swap with this car. So that's my inspiration for this car, and hopefully in the near future, if you guys stick on for the journey and subscribe, because if you guys don't subscribe, I don't think if I'll ever get the money to like do all these things. So yeah, the goal is to have the best engine, the best working G720 Nissan Datsun on the internet. Just do a whole, like, bro, just look at this thing, man. Like, what? It's rusted. What? I didn't even know there's space back there. I think there are moles even living underneath this whole place. So it's been rusting for a minute, and yeah, you guys get the idea of how this car looks like, bro. Judging the fact that it's been here for like almost 3 years, not even moving, I think you guys know how this car might be on the road when it's done. It's going to look so bad. So guys, stick around for the journey, because I've done some things here and there. I've known and I've made a checklist. I think I'll have it on my screen here. The bodywork, the tires I need new tires, new bodywork, a whole engine refresh, because this engine, guys, I don't really think if you can go on the road knowing that you have some rusted things in your engine bay, I think that would be so wrong. The spark plugs, I think they're new, as you can see. They're NGKR spark plugs that they're new. The starter is new. This car actually starts, I think the last time we didn't have no battery, so hopefully next time I'll get this thing back on the road. And yeah, it looks so perfectly. We have some rust here and there. The whole car is a mess, guys. I'm not even lying. This whole car is a mess, and it needs some very, very bad TLC. So in the near future, this car is going to be the baddest truck you guys have seen on the internet ever. So guys, stick around for the journey, subscribe, like and share, because this channel is going crazy with this car. I love this car because it has given me a whole new audience on my channel, and a whole new perspective on how I see old cars nowadays. Because right now, whenever I see old cars, I just think of trying to like make them, you know, alive and stuff like that. So it's about to rain. As you can see, the weather is not really that fast, and I'm here filming. Like, guys, it's raining and I'm here filming. So that's how you know that someone is committed to what he's doing and whatnot. So yeah, right now I'm about to end up this video. I think you've seen how this car looks. Yeah, that's the engine bay right now. And yeah, the fact that this whole thing might even you might be going like maybe 160 on the highway. 160, I wish. You might be doing 20 on the way, and then you leave your whole back end on the road. So that's something that is really not really in my to-do list. So yeah, that's the. But let me show you how this frame is very, very intact, guys. If you think I'm lying, just look on how just look how this frame is so mint at this angle, bro. The frame is so clean, and that's why my dad bought this car, is because of this frame, how clear it is, and how not really how clear it is, how the whole frame is like, it's so intact. There's no rust, as you can see. It's been resprayed with black, and there's no rusting underneath it. And let me see if I can go down the car and see what we have underneath the car. Underneath the car, bro, what the fuck is that even supposed to be like that? That's my drive shaft. We have another what is it called, cross member, and it's even rusting into, like, what the fuck, bro. My springs are rusting. Like, look at that, bro. Rusted springs, and in the car is a whole fucking mess. And bro, this car needs a whole wow. So guys, I was lying. This car needs a lot more than what I think it needs, and hopefully you guys do hit that like button, subscribe, like and share this video so that most people can see this video. And yeah, we'll get into more details tomorrow when I'll be filming. I'm filming 2 videos today, guys, so that's how I'm so thorough with the grind. So yeah, right here is our car. So guys, I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully the next video will be so damn good. Peace out, guys. See you tomorrow. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Yeah, so let me open the door, and yeah, that's what we have inside here, bro. What? There's even people living inside here. Like, what the hell is even going on down here, bro? Look at all this fucking mess. Like, we need to, oh my god, the mat looks like underneath the mat is a whole bunch of, you know, things underneath the mat. And right here, and I think here is clean. Yeah, my interior isn't that clean, isn't that bad. As you can see, we have to like find another thing that has to go here. The AC works perfectly fine. I think this one is closed. We have to like use a key. I ain't got no key right here. That's my gear shifter. That is the clock. We have over 250,000 miles on the clock. So that's a lot of miles right there. I have no fuel, there's no key. Actually, basically my interior is actually fine. I'm not even lying. This interior compared to like other old cars that I've been sitting for over almost like 4 years and above, bruh, this interior has to be the cleanest. It was redone before it came here. So it was redone, and then after 3 years, this when I'm actually finding out that this car has been here. Like, I've never thought of this car. It's never came into my mind. And right now, perfectly fine for my YouTube channel to like blow up and get this thing back on the road. So yeah, guys, right now, like I said earlier, I'm filming this when it's raining. And before we continue, guys, the first video on this car, I had a PayPal account on my description, so that you guys might support my build in case you guys do anything that might support my channel and this build, because I'm not yet monetized and I can't get money to like, you know, build this car. I'm a student, I'm doing automotive engineering, and I'm trying to save up and get money so that I can build. So guys, if you have anything that you might have in your bank account and you want to help me out build this car on this channel with your suggestions, with your help, with your support, I'll be so okay with that. Or I'll have my PayPal account right here, and also in the description box below, so that you guys might be able to do something that might go towards helping this car out. So guys, peace, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog, hopefully tomorrow, when I do get time to post another video and also shoot another video. So I think we've seen how the car looks like right now. Let me fix you guys very quick. Yeah, I think you guys have seen how the car looks. It's in very bad shape, and I really need your help, guys. I really need your help. My engine is rusted. My bodywork is in the worst condition ever. We have seen how my engine bay, guys, looks. The engine bay looks like it's been rusted for like, bro, it's rusted for like a lot of months. So guys, I'll see you in the next vlog. And guys, if you do have anything in your bank account and you want to share, please do. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.